Okay, here's the next one. We're going to have a sit ending. A sit ending. Now this is going to be great for that bridegroom who's going to get into that moment where we want a little bit of a lower movement, little picture moment, sitting down into like a bench, if you will. This is going to allow the guy to prep. Now he's going to have to prep himself or her to come into this. So same beginning, but just give yourself a little time. The music can still be playing, it could be slowing down, but as you go into this, gentlemen, as she spins, you're going to allow her to go. You're going to go into a knee. She comes around nice and slow, she sits down, and there you are. That's a nice ending that you have. Okay, here you are sitting. She can actually just play with your hair, whatever it may be, kiss you. Give it a moment, okay? Now from this point, you can actually have your leg here. Ladies, you may even bring your arm, your hands down here onto his arm and just kind of bring your feet together. Always think about balance, okay? So you get to here. Now when you come back up, just kind of like slowly come out of this and we'll take you into the exit coming up soon. Cool? So one more time, let's bring it from this angle. Okay? So I'm rolling her in, taking the hand here. But notice if I don't go down, she's not going to have anything to sit on, and you don't want to do it last second. Clue. So when I get to here, the understanding, you're going to go into a sit. She sees you, she comes down, hello, how are you? Give it a moment, come back up, and then you want to kind of practice that, guys. Practice that.
Definitely practice it.
Squatting. Okay? You don't want to be left there going, somebody help me. Somebody help me. So practice that. It's going to be really cool. It's a great moment for photos. Everybody's just like want to run on the floor and just all day long. Okay? So one more time from this angle. Give you a look. So once again, I'm kind of staying in the track, just a little bit outside. I go down into a knee. She sees that. Take your time. Don't rush this.
Do not have to rush.
Right. This is your moment. This is all about you.
And for us, for the bride, you want to take your time as well, sitting down. You don't want to fall into it because you'll both fall over.
Right, exactly. So be sure you're here. Now, what's going to happen? She's going to come up, help her up a little bit. Don't rush yourself, guys. And then you come out of that little sit position, and then we're going to show you how to get out of there. Cool? Onto the floor and exit. Yeah? All right. Go practice this. Go practice. All right? We'll be back with the next ending.